Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Moment Fashion. So how are you friends? Today I am going to share with you most stylish, beautiful, gorgeous, latest and trendy wedge heel sandal designs ideas for girls and women. So you will see in this video different style and type of sandal designs 2022. You can wear these sandals in official parties and in formal function. All design is so beautiful and stylish for those women who like latest fashion and unique style of fashion. So guys, please watch my video till the end so you don't miss any design of my more beautiful video, because all design are latest, trendy and beautiful, and I am sure you like and want to buy such type of wedge heels. You will find 100 new designs, 100 new ideas daily in my channel videos. So please guys, subscribe my YouTube channel Moment Fashion for more fashion ideas. Guys, I hope you enjoy my video. Latest, trendy, beautiful, gorgeous and most demanding wedge heel sandal designs ideas for girls and women. So please everyone, like my video and share my video with your friends and family. Hopefully they will also like my video and wonderful collection. So guys, if you're loving these beautiful designs, do like my video, share and press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get all the notification full of my videos, so you will not miss any video of my channel Moment Fashion. So guys, I hope you enjoy my video. Latest, trendy, beautiful and gorgeous new wedge heels and designs ideas for ladies. Do comment in comment section about my video and suggest me good advice so I can make some more beautiful videos. Please support me by sharing my video, and thanks for happy visions on my previous video. Thank you so much friends. Goodbye.